I in the kitchen and Daddy make me French fries apple. Look. I in the kitchen. I gonna try. Look. It's good. I have McDonald's apple. Nothing. I have French fries apple. You have everything. The M, the French fries, and you look like where you put the French fries because that say McDonald's. Look at the M. Thank you, Daddy, for making me French fries apple. This one you can make for 2 apples. If you want it, just buy 2 apples. And you can make this. You need to peel this and make an M. You need to cut the hole inside like this. But not a lot. And you need to cut this shape like a French fry. Good. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you. Baby Ella, I have French fries. But it's apple. I get this from Daddy's. Oh. Baby Ella, I got this McDonald's French fries apple, but it's apple. I got this from my daddy. Look.